Hey, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is Reflex Image. And in this video, this is going to be a very short video. I'll be showing you how to create a matching background color for the outfit your model or your client is wearing. So it doesn't matter if she's wearing maybe a pink outfit and you're using a brown background and she actually need for you to create a pink outfit for her. So you can actually match everything all together in the post production. So I'll actually take this picture. I took this picture with a brown background, so I'll be changing the background color and also adding a little bit of snoot effect. Not every time you guys will be doing extreme manipulation. You can actually go with the basic ones and it's going to look nice and realistic at the same time. So I won't be showing you how I remove the model from the background. I've actually done that. I removed the model, I've cleaned the background, I've smoothened the background. What I'll be showing is how to apply, how to change the background color and also retain all the shadows that are in the picture at the same time. So that being said, now just have to click on my adjustment layer. As you can see, here's my model layer. I've actually cropped that out perfectly. I've done the retouching, I've done the background extension and stuff. So what here is the background. So I'll be clicking on the layer directly below my model layer. This is my model layer here. So the layer directly below it is this one. So even though you are doing an extreme manipulation, you can actually just follow this step also. Just make sure you are clicking on the layer directly below your model layer. So I just click on it here. Next thing, I'll just go to my adjustment layer. I'll click on my hue and saturation. I just have to mess with my hue until I'm seeing the color that's related to what she's wearing, which is this color. As you can see, this is very similar. So if it's a little bit too saturated, you can just bring down the saturation a little bit, and if the background is a little bit too dark, you can just lighten it up a little bit until you actually get what you need. With just a very few steps, look at what we've done so far. So the next thing is for you to add a little bit of snoot effect to it, just to make it spice up our work a little bit. So I'll just go to my file manager. I'll scroll down. So this is the snoot I'll be making use of. I'll click on it. I actually created this note myself, so I just have to drag it into my Photoshop. I'll drag it down there. As you can see, I'm still working directly below my model layer, as you can see right now. So once I'm done with the size I want to be there, I just have to click on my OK. So I'll hold down my control key. I'll hold my control key down. I'll click on what I just brought in now. So what I click on it is going to make the selection for us. So the one I just brought in now, I no longer need it again. I just have to turn it off. Then I'll go to my adjustment layer. Then I'll click on my curves. Once I click on it, it's going to bring the curve panel for me. So I'm just going to increase it, as you can see right now. So whatever size I want, so whatever brightness I want it to be. Once I'm done, I just have to click on my OK. Click on my OK. Then I'll click on the max. It's a little bit too obvious now, so we are going to feather it a little bit. So we're feathering it now, make it look very real, as you can see right now. So it's looking more of a snoot effect right now. So the next thing we're doing now is just to apply our color grading lots. Firstly, our vintage. Let's start with our vintage for now. But this time around, we are not working directly below our model. We are working above our model. We are color grading everything all together. So I just have to click on the uppermost layer, which is this. Then I'll click on my clicker mark weight tool, which I have over here. I will hold down my shift key, then I'll circle around my model this way. Circle around that, as you can see. Then I'm going to invert my selection by clicking on Ctrl Shift plus I. Then I'll go to my adjustment layer. I'll click on my solid color, fill it 100% black. Click on my OK, then I'm going to feather it. I'll click on the max, then I'll increase the feather. Increase the feather to about 400 or so. If the 400 is still not okay, I'm still going to increase to whatever one I want. Okay, I think 671 is okay. So once it loads, just have to bring it down because it's a little bit too much at the edge over here. So let's wait for it to load up. As you can see, you just have to bring down the opacity till I save it. So you can now bring in your load now. Just have to go to my adjustment layer. I'll click on my color lookup, load 3D loads. Just have to click on my natural color, which is my favorite load. Boom. Automatically it color grade the picture for us, but the saturation is a little bit too much. Just have to bring down the opacity. bring it down to whatever colors you want. So that's about today's tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you're also interested in getting any of my picture editing files, they are available for sale. You can actually go to my store and get them there. And if you're interested in getting all the raw pictures I use, you can just join my Telegram channel today. So you're going to get free pictures there and also free files to practice with, because not every video I drop on my YouTube channel. There are some pictures I do edit that I don't usually post them on my YouTube page. So you can actually get access to raw files via my Telegram channel over there. So that's all today's tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your notification icon, and do please share with your friends. They might pick up a thing or two from this particular video. One love, guys. So in case you're interested in getting any of my picture editing file, from my overlays down to my color lookup, which is my lot file, so you just have to scroll down to your video. So under the comment, this is my description. So it's not going to load the description for you. You just have to click on show more, click on it. So it's going to show all the options. Once it does that, just click on my store link. So here's my store link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to my store. So you can actually select any file you want. From the color lookup, this is a light skin LUTs. This is a feather which I use in my recent video. This is 100 premium baby overlays. This is my first video course. This video course entails on how to download all the files I want. The site I use in downloading all my files free of charge, including my Photoshop panels also. This includes my PNG files. This includes all my packs, all my picture editing files, my premium overlay, my PNG, my flying fabrics, my color lookup, my presets. So once you buy this, you've already bought everything apart from this one. So here is my flying fabrics. Here is my, in case you want to give me any project for me to work on. Here is my color lookup. Here is my background overlay, and here is my presets file. So in case you're interested in buying any one, you can actually go for them. The good news there is that you can actually buy your own currency, any currency of your choice. You can buy with any currency of your choice.